So one of the things that people think that when you train for MMA, your strength conditioning, that you only have to do weight training exercises, which is not true. Some of the best exercises you could do are without weights, body weight training, or even like gymnastic type exercises. So today I'm going to show you one knee dominant exercise you could do without weights that's probably harder than anything you've ever done before. It's an exercise that uses a lot of core strength, a lot of leg strength, especially from your quads, and a lot of balance. It'll really help you with your MMA strength conditioning.